Take your online business seriously. This content is provided by theodorehenderson.com. Please like and share this video. Subscribe and follow us to get notified of new releases. It is very easy to start an online business. For a few bucks, you can register a domain name, get some web hosting, and install a WordPress website that is free and easy to use. You can literally be ready to go in a couple of hours. You will need to choose an online business model such as affiliate marketing and then find some good offers to promote. Add some content to your new website and drive traffic to it, and you should make some money. It really doesn't get any easier than this. A lot of people dabble in different online businesses. If one thing does not make them the money that they want, then they quickly set up another online business that they believe will. This leads to a lot of people giving up on the idea of making a success of their online business. You need to take your online business seriously. If you want your online business to be a success, then stop treating it as a hobby or just something to do. Take it seriously and make an emotional investment in it. You do not need to invest a lot of money, but you do need to be committed to make it work. Despite what others may tell you, it is not easy to create a successful online business. Once you have made the decision to start an online business, then set a goal for it, a financial goal for example, and create a plan for its success. You need to identify the real reason why you started your online business. This is not going to be just to provide a part-time or full-time income. What will this money do for you? Will it provide you with the freedom that you crave? Will it enable you to buy the things that you have always wanted? Whatever the real reasons for starting your online business are, visualize how you will feel when you have achieved your goal. Make the feelings strong and write these down. You can create a why statement that you read every day to provide you with the motivation necessary to carry on no matter how tough things get. Be prepared to invest in your online business. There are a lot of useful tools that will help you to get the results that you desire with your online business. These are going to require an investment, so be prepared to make this investment. If you are new to the world of online business, then invest in your education as well. There are training programs available for all of the online business models. Make a commitment to be a master of your craft. Learn new techniques to improve your online business on a regular basis. Invest in visitor traffic for your online business too. If you do not get enough visitors to your website, then you will never be successful. You can start slowly and then scale this up as you start to see results and generate more revenue. If you invested thousands of dollars in a conventional business, you would take it seriously, wouldn't you? Just because you don't need a lot of money to start an online business does not mean you shouldn't take it seriously. In fact, it is essential that you do. Visit www.theodorehenderson.com for complimentary resources and business tools. Also, check the description for any links accompanying this video.